Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates three space infrastructure projects in Kerala, reveals name of four astronaut designates selected for Gaganyaan mission. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that his government has brought an end to policy paralysis and dynastic politics. Voting is underway for 15 Rajya Sabha seats across 3 states. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said the government is committed to make country third largest economy in the world. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma assured the State Assembly that safety and security of people residing along the interstate borders with Assam will be ensured.